Today we are going to show you how to make the magical homemade slimming powder to reduce the body weight even when you are sleeping. Normally, our body loses weight effectively by doing two things. Number one, when we work out. Number two, when we are asleep. But while sleeping, we can lose the body weight only if we haven't had heavy dinner and if consumed a home remedy to lose the body weight. People who have dinner 3 hours before going to bed than our home remedies to lose the body weight works faster and smoother. With this homemade remedy within one night, anyone can reduce up to 800 grams to 1 kilogram body weight while sleeping. If this homemade magical slimming powder is used for 1 month regularly, then you will notice the difference and noticeable change on your body weight. Apart from this, if you want to reduce the body weight in 1 week without any dieting or exercise, here's what you need to lose the body weight. Number 1. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds is a natural appetite suppressant which is said to aid in blood purification. The antispasmodic effect of fennel seeds helps suppress hunger pangs by relaxing the stomach muscles that produce the sensation. This can help you intake fewer calories and lose excess weight. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric prevents fat accumulation by its anti-inflammatory activity and its ability to turn white adipose tissue into brown, which increases the rate of metabolism in the body. Turmeric is also helpful in combating and preventing the complications that arise due to obesity. Moreover, depression caused by obesity or obesity triggered by depression can be avoided by use of turmeric. Number 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds is full of healthy fats and fiber which boosts our digestion and also detoxifies the body. It will help you feel satisfied for a longer time, so you will eat fewer calories overall, which may lead to weight loss. People who have constipation and other problems related to the stomach, they should always consume flax seeds daily to get rid of these problems, as it is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which help control the high cholesterol levels caused by consuming a lot of junk food. Number 4. Cumin seeds. The iron present in cumin seeds help maintain our metabolic activity properly. Good metabolism process helps to keep all the other body processes in check. Enzymes present in cumin seeds help break down foods and thus aid in digestions, which leads to less fat conversion of the food we consume. Number 5. Curry leaves. Curry leaves contains antioxidants which not only help reduce the body weight but also helps calm our mind. Its consumption helps relax our mind and also helps fix the hair fall and gray hair problems. Number 6. Rock salt. Rock salt can be used to stimulate your body's metabolism and ultimately improve the functioning of your body, which reduces sugar cravings by reactivating insulin and hence results in weight loss. All these ingredients might sound a lot, but you can get these very easily either locally or online as well. All the ingredients in this remedy play a very important role to burn the fats that are accumulated in different parts of the body. Now, let's take a look how to make this fat burning powder. Number 1. Roast 60 grams fennel seeds, 20 grams flax seeds, 20 grams cumin seeds in a pan on low flames for 5 to 10 minutes. Roasting will increase their oil essential, which makes the remedy more effective. Number 2. Grind them in a blender and make their powder then. Number 3. Add 20 gram black myrobalan powder. Number 4. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Number 5. Add half teaspoon rock salt. Add 20 grams curry leaves powder. Number 8. And once all the ingredients are mixed together, this remedy will be ready to consume. Cautions: this magical body slimming powder for burning fat overnight should be consumed after dinner and 1 hour before going to bed with 1 glass lukewarm water. And if you want fast results, then this powder can be consumed 1 small teaspoon during the day as well after the meal. One thing to keep in mind while the consumption of this powder is, until the time you consume it, try not to eat junk food, because when you are using a remedy to lose the body weight and on the other hand you consume junk food and food which increases the body weight and fats, then it makes no sense of consuming any weight loss remedy. Warning: this slimming powder could be harmful and should not be consumed in pregnancy, breastfeeding mothers, and in diarrhea. If this homemade magical slimming powder is used for 1 month regularly, then you will notice the difference on your body weight and belly fat as they will be reduced.